Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a magic circle. Let's start. Take a yarn, keep the loosely end with your thumb and cross over your hand. The cross is very important, you need to make that cross. Let me show you one more time. So keep the loosely end with your thumb, make a cross, and you have created two parallel lines. Insert your hook under first line and grab the second yarn. Twist your hand, do not twist the hook, like this. Now keep here to secure. Chain one and you can start your single crochet inside the magic circle. Once you learn a magic circle, you will always use it. Close the circle, that's it. So let me show you one more time. Keep loosely end with your thumb, cross over. The cross can be on the sides. When you have two parallel lines, insert your hook under the first line, grab the second yarn, twist the hand, not the hook, keep to secure. Now tail is not important anymore. Chain one or two and you can make single crochet, half double crochet, doesn't matter. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please leave thumbs up. Thanks for watching, bye.